Welcome to Core Insight Channel, the health and self-improvement channel that improves your life. The material in this video is sourced from the book, Obesity Code, by Dr. Jason Fung. One of the best books ever written on the subject of health. In this video, you will find out that snacking between meals causes insulin resistance and leads to obesity. How did that happen, and how should it be? Watch this video until the end if you are curious. Let's get started. Many people succeed on strict diets, but the effects don't last long. They can lose weight drastically but quickly and repeatedly return to their original weight position. This condition is like an endless cycle of weight loss and gain, leaving them frustrated and confused about what really happened to their bodies. This condition is known as the yo-yo diet. When you play with the yo-yo, you lower it and then quickly raise it. That's why this condition is called the yo-yo diet. Oprah Winfrey has experienced this condition. In 1988, on a television show, Saturday Night Live, he parodied his success in losing 67 pounds. She wore blue Calvin Klein jeans in size 10 and rode a wagon full of fat, representing his lost weight. In 2005, recalling the parody, she said, "I literally starved myself for 4 months no food. 2 hours after the show, I started eating to celebrate. Of course, within 2 days the jeans no longer fit." Back again to their confusion. What really happened to their bodies? Why is dieting so difficult? In his book, Obesity Code, Jason Fung answers with a different perspective than most nutritionists do. According to Fung, the actor most responsible for their failure is high insulin levels, which lead to insulin resistance. Insulin is one of the most important natural hormones in the human body. The pancreas produces this hormone. When we eat foods that contain carbohydrates and sugar, the pancreas releases the hormone insulin. The hormone insulin plays a role in converting sugar into energy and is distributed throughout the body. This hormone also helps the body store energy. In short, insulin is a hormone that controls blood sugar levels. This hormone must be stable. Otherwise, it will cause various health problems. The more you consume foods with high sugar content, the harder the performance of the pancreas to produce the hormone insulin. As a result, your body cells gradually become no longer responsive to insulin hormone receptors. In other words, your cells eventually become insulin resistant. When this resistance occurs, insulin can no longer take sugar molecules in the blood in the ideal amount. It can only accept and convert them into energy in small amounts to be distributed to body cells. You will also continue to feel hungry, and in the end, you will continue to gain weight. This mechanism is the reason why people with insulin resistance find it difficult to lose weight sustainably and take longer. This condition often makes them give in to their body's desire to be fed. Then how do we keep insulin levels in ideal conditions? Before we answer this question, we must know the leading cause of increased insulin levels. According to Jason Fung, the increase in insulin levels is caused by the habit of snacking between meals. For example, you snack from the end of breakfast until before lunch, then after lunch until before dinner. If you do this, the pancreas will continue to produce insulin at a moderate to high level in response to food entering your digestive system. Your body needs time to sleep for a certain period, and so does your digestive system. Your pancreas ideally has a regular period to produce insulin at low levels to stabilize the body's metabolic system. Because we already know the cause of increased insulin levels, it will certainly be easier to take action to suppress insulin levels in the body. You have to give your body time to rest from producing the hormone insulin at moderate or high levels. The goal is to maintain insulin levels in the blood at an ideal position. How to? You should fast for about 4 to 5 hours, from the moment you finish eating until the next meal. Now you know that you must prevent insulin resistance by giving your body time to rest to produce insulin. Actually, for a better understanding, before watching this video, it's a good idea to watch this one that explains that the leading actor in the main cause of obesity is insulin levels and related hormonal imbalances. So watch this video now. Click on this video card. If you want to see a more complete summary of the Obesity Codebook, please click on this video card. In this video, I break it down into 10 core insights that cover new facts you never thought about the causes of obesity. Please click the like and subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll be notified when we release future videos. Thanks for watching.